It's an '06 Ford Explorer.
And I need to put some sway bar end links on there. So stay tuned for that. You're going to need a 5/8 inch box wrench, socket, deep well if you have one, and vice grips. I don't think a Band-Aid is going to fix that. Or duct tape.
I'm assuming they needed to be replaced. There's no bushing up at the Just for my second hand, I have a pair of vice grips on the bottom. Easy, super easy. Having the vice grips on the bottom for that extra hand helped out a lot. Super easy. I'm not saying that you might need to jack up the second side just a little bit in order to get the sleeve and the other top bushing on. I had to, but only just a little bit.
In more ways than one, vice grips come in handy. Alright, it's good.
Because I did have to get out the jack and jack the car up just a little bit, I'll have to consider this a one beer job. Super easy. Little bit of WD-40 to get it out of the sleeve. Other than that, you're golden. So, looks darn good. A lot better than it did.
I really hope you found that helpful, and if you're going to replace your sway bar end links, don't be afraid to do so. Like I said in the video, super easy, super easy. It's a one beer job. So stay tuned for other videos, and I will be getting better videos as soon as I get a better camera. And that won't be too long from now. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, just like everybody else says. Keep smiling.